Hi everybody, it is Michael here and it is week 7 of my vlog. So, this week I decided it would be a good idea to get out of the office. So this week's vlog is predominantly filmed on my smartphone. So, what have I been up to this week? Let's go and find out. Hi everybody, so I thought I would do today's vlog from the back of the car. So I'm in the back of the car, and the reason why is because obviously I have my filming with smartphones course and thought my online presence is predominantly me in my office with my professional camera, my professional setup. So I thought I'm going to go back to basics. I'm going to use my smartphone. So I've got my phone hooked up to my smart lav, which is just there. And I've got the phone on a GorillaPod, which just gives me a little bit more distance from the camera and me, so I can fit my big head in the screen. And I'm using the rule of thirds on my phone to make sure that my composition is spot on. So what have I been doing this week? So this week's been pretty busy. I've been networking like I do most weeks, but I've been having more one-to-ones. I've been getting to know business owners a hell of a lot more, and with every one-to-one comes a list of things to do, and if you do networking right, it should come with a list of things to do, and I've been helping other business owners to grow their business and to build more meaningful connections. So last week I went to BNI Morecambe, which was really good, because my other half lives in Morecambe. So I thought it'd be a really good idea to meet people in Lancashire, Morecambe, and just build some connections up there, because I spend quite a lot of time up there. Another good thing I've done this week is I have my camera confidence course coming out at the end of next week. And I'm very excited because this course I think is probably more important than the filming on smartphones course, because I think more people struggle with confidence than they do the physical piecing together content, filming, editing on their smartphone. I think there's a lot of people who struggle with having the ability to turn a camera on and talk to it. It is hard, don't get me wrong. I find it very hard to engage with people by looking at a camera lens. It's not a natural thing. But the more that you do it, the more that you incorporate it into your everyday working life, the more natural it does come, the more easy it is to actually look at a lens and not look at the screen, to look and engage with that person and actually break down those barriers. When you are comfortable on camera, when you are actually in an environment that you are comfortable in, you actually start to be yourself, and that's when people start to invest in you. That's when people actually start to like what you're doing, and they start to take note in the things that you say and actually start to reach out and message you and say, "Hiya Michael, I saw your video last week on camera confidence and I've been watching your videos for a while and I just wanted to reach out and say hi, really interested in your course. Are you able to have a one-to-one with me?" So, you know, that's happened quite a lot. I've had a few people that have come forward in the last couple of weeks that have said, "I've been watching your videos on YouTube, they're very helpful. Can we have a chat, because I think, you know, some of your courses are something that I'd like to do." So you never really know how far a video goes, and you never know who's watching that content, and in some ways it's actually really exciting. That's a very exciting thing to kind of, you know, wake up and see on your LinkedIn that someone's messaged you that you've never really spoken to before and they want to buy from you. I think that is just crazy. I've built a lot of friendships on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter with people all over the world that I've never physically met, but I 100% class them as my friends. So if anybody's been on any of my courses, you get to go into my private Facebook group, which is Your Video Journey, and you can interact with people that have been on my workshops or my courses. And actually, we are growing a community of people who, you know, really want to help each other grow, and, you know, together we are actually helping each other break down the barriers and understand video marketing a little bit more. And it's just a really good environment to be, and I'm really glad that there are some really good people out there that are helping that group grow. So with my filming with smartphones and my camera confidence course, you do automatically get added to my private group. So that's all I've been doing this week. So homework is to, you know, build on the relationships that I've made this week, and to obviously get my online course Camera Confidence finished so that I can start putting that out there. And oh my lord, would you look at that? A beautiful T4. Look at that. Oh yeah, look at that beautiful little T4. Obviously not as good as my T4, but that's just my own personal opinion. So there you go, that's everything I have been up to today. But don't worry, I will be back next week with week number 8 of my weekly vlog. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, then don't forget to click the button. If you would like to see when I post all my latest videos, then don't forget to click the bell. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all soon.